Moving now to the state of Karnataka, where we are seeing a big war taking place over Chief Minister Siddaramaia's unequal Hinduism claim. BJP takes the envoy of conversion dig at the Congress government. BJP says Siddaramaiya is enabling conversions of Hindus. Karnataka Chief Minister said conversions are happening because there is a bias in Hinduism. Big tug of war taking place between the Congress and the BJP in the state of Karnataka. At the centre is a statement given by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiya, who said conversions are happening because there is bias in Hinduism.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಮತಾಂತರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ವೇದಿಕೆನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತಾಂತರದ ರಾಯಭಾರಿ, ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್, ಮತಾಂತರದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ. ಯಾರು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಯಾರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಧರ್ಮ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಮತಾಂತರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ
ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನತೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಮಾನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಮಾನತೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು? ನಾವು ಊಟ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಪ್ಪ, ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರಲಿ.
My colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath is now joining me on the story. Nagarjun, once again, one statement given by the Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka, Siddaramaiya, has become the bone of contention. The BJP is now saying that he's become the envoy of conversion across the state of Karnataka.
Well, that's true. And the Congress has defended Chief Minister's statement, saying that what is wrong in it, many religions were formed out of, after breaking away from Hinduism. For example, Lingayat Dharma, which is in Karnataka, broke away from Hindu culture because of inequality within the system, is what many Congress MLAs have defended the Chief Minister. However, the BJP has attacked the Chief Minister, saying he is becoming the ambassador of conversions and encouraging people to convert from one religion to another religion. Another appeasement tactic from the Congress party is what the BJP is alleging.
Thank you, Nagarjun, giving us all those details. BJP is saying the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiya, has become an envoy of conversions of Hindus across the state of Karnataka.